Good morning, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, August 9th, and we are looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ES and SPY. And if yesterday was a disappointment for the Bulls after that start, well, today is a follow-through of very disappointing action so far. As we are looking to possibly take out yesterday's low, put us firmly into a balance. We'll discuss that balance on the chart. I'm going to probably make it just one big balance. Triple Qs also in the process, as you can see here, they would firmly be coming into a 5-day balance, including today. 1, 2, 3, 4 in today's action. I would use the thirds low as the bottom of their balance. Okay, that's if they do take out yesterday's low. As far as the Russell right now is still acting the best out of everybody. Is not only are they still up in the daily, they're inside yesterday's range, and they still have the gap from yesterday. So we'll see if that's going to hold. And right now, they're still over $4 above last month's high. So they are definitely acting the best out of our three indices. Right now, SPY and ES have been, after a very wide POC overnight, they're hovering around yesterday's low. Overnight high in SPY is 414.32. Overnight low right now is 411.41. Again, if we take out yesterday's low, I kept the daily up. I gave them a little respect for coming out of that balance. But now if we take out yesterday's low, again, it'll be in balance. And again, it's going to depend on how you want to see it. So you can either call it, as you can see here, a 5-day balance, which would be the third through today's action. Or if you want to encompass these 3 days, a total 8-day balance. Again, it depends how you want to see. If you're going to call a 5-day balance, then the fifth low is going to be the bottom of that balance if you get down there, which is around the 4, looks like 0.6 and a quarter level, something of that nature. If you don't hold that, well, then obviously these 3 days come into play. Remember, we still have that trend day from July 28th that's held. Each time you think you're getting away from that, each time you think you're getting above last month's high, and all of a sudden there's a setback. So we're going to see now, right now, SPY is about $1.40 below July's high. So they've either gotten very close to it or have been above it so far the first 6 trading days of this month. So if we can't get back above it today, it's going to be interesting. Is the market just getting to the top of stretch June by a little bit, balance high, and then are we going to roll over? Again, it remains to be seen. Don't forget we do have the CPI tomorrow, PPI on Thursday. As far as the game plan for this morning, if we gap lower, depending on the size of the gap, I'll look for a put play. A put play. No more options right now. I look for a short play on the mini. If that gap fills, though, remember, there's nothing much above us. We have a very wide POC. We were only 8 wide, so you'd have the wide POC that would be a speed bump from the overnight, and then H was your afternoon rally high. Look at the overnight high just above that. It was a beautiful short yesterday. Same goes with the SPY. If the gap becomes very large in the next 75 minutes, then again, I would wait, because if we're going to go test the bottom of the fifth low, if you're going to use that as the bottom of your balance, I don't want to be taking a short there. I might take a long against it the first time to see how we react. So those are things to keep in mind. If in the next 75 minutes we open inside the day's range, in balance, in value, then if it was to push up, I'd see what happens at that wide POC. But for sure, I would look to take a short play against H's high, which was the afternoon rally high, if we were to get there, even though we'd have unchanged value and balance and be in balance at that point. Again, all very early plays. And then just quickly on the chart, just going to show you the daily. So here you go. If we take out yesterday's low, you can either call it a 5-day balance or an 8-day balance. Probably to start, I'd call it a 5-day balance and then see if we get acceptance below the fifth low. Any acceptance below the fifth low, now this is encompassing this whole thing. Plus, there's a good chance we'll be trading right above or below, testing this trend line that I had put in. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.